Hi there. I'm going to show you how to use a website or an app called SeeSaw for you to share your artwork that you do at home with me here at school. So the website is called SeeSaw. You can search it by Google or you can find the app for your tablet or phone, and you're going to need to log in. It's best to use your school Gmail account to do your logins, because if you're already logged in for Google Classroom, you're going to have a much easier time logging into SeeSaw. So you're going to click on there. It'll bring you to a page that looks like this. If you've already signed in before, you can log in, but if not, you're just going to click sign up for free, and you're going to see a page that looks like a page that has an access code. So the access code will either be on the Google Classroom, if you have a Google Classroom with me. 6th and 7th graders right now do have a Google Classroom, so you can check there for the code, or you can check on my website for the Google Classroom code for your grade level. So put in the 8-letter code, copy and paste it right in there, and you're going to click join class. Once you're in there, you're going to see your class grade level, and you're going to see some stuff that looks sort of like this. Now, what you're going to be using it most for is to add content up here. So the green button is where you're going to start adding your pictures of any art projects or art sketches or anything you do at home related to the art class. So if you click on here, you'll see you have 3 options. You're most often going to use post student work. So you're going to click on there and you'll see you have 6 different choices. Mostly we use photo. If your device, your Chromebook, your laptop, your tablet or phone that you're using has a camera, then you can take a photo at this moment. After you click this, it'll activate the camera for you to take a picture to upload right to SeeSaw, which is pretty cool. If you don't have the photo or the camera right on your device, but you've shared it to, say, your Google Drive or to your computer, you can click the upload button and it will let you search for your photo in whatever drive you've saved it in and upload it just like you would be taking an actual photo of it. I haven't had students use these links over here very often, but feel free to explore the drawing. You might be able to draw right on your tablet or phone. You might be able to take a video of you making some of your artwork. That would be really cool. But I'm going to show you an upload version. I'm going to go select from my computer, or your Google Drive is down here. I'm going to click the picture that I have for this example, and you'll see it takes a couple seconds to upload the photo right up into this little box. And it says you can add 9 more photos. So if you've been working on many sketches, you can add multiple photos at one time. Once you see your photos that you want in this little rectangle, go ahead and click the green submit button. Now at this point, it's going to allow you to edit. If you wanted to add text to it, you can click the T button and move your text around. You could try and add sound if you wanted to verbally tell me about your artwork. And then there's some more options for more photos over here. If you are happy with your photo and your text and everything you edited it, you can click the green check again, and that will save it right to your portfolio. You have to click your name and hit the check one more time, making sure it's saved to you, and then you'll see it posted here on our class wall. Now, you're only going to see your work. You won't see any of your classmates' work on here. I've set it up so that only you can see your work, but I can see everybody in the class's work so that I can communicate back to you. Now, what I would like you to do, one more thing after you're done, is down in the comments. I want you to tell me about your artwork. Tell me where you got your idea from, your inspiration, or what materials you used. Something interesting that I might want to know about your work. And you're going to type your comment down here. And then you'll hit post. Voila. That's how I want you to post to SeeSaw. Then what I will do when I get notification that you've posted, I'll come in and look at it and I'll try and make comments back to you on your work so you know that I have seen what you have posted. I can't wait to see what you create. As soon as you can, jump on Seesaw, check it out.